On this video I'll show you how you can get started earning with this game Townstar on a play to earn basis for a really affordable amount. Now I've done some videos on this in the past and people say, Paul, you need thousands of dollars worth of NFTs, really expensive, this is more pay to earn than play to earn and so on. So hence I thought I'd put this video to help correct some of that misunderstanding that's out there at the moment. So if you sign up with Gala Games, so gogala.co.uk, you can sign up with Gala Games and you can play Townstar. Let's just jump into Townstar. What I'm going to do, I'm going to find a new location first of all. Then I'm going to show you some of the mechanics and how you can start earning with this without, like I said, without large sums of money. So I'm just going to go on a new server here just to pick a new territory for you. So you get to choose a location anywhere in the world on the world map, and I spotted somewhere down here. So here's our nearest city, Dakar, and there is a slot available here. So I'm just going to place my town here. Let's call this Paul's Example Town. Choose a different name. Okay, doesn't like that. Let's try Paul's Town. Okay, so when you start off in the game, if you pick a forest like I've just done here, this is how it looks. You get a 16 by 16 grid. This is your farm. We can see the farmer has just gone to collect some wheat. He puts that in the silo, and then we can go and sell that wheat. Now, the simple objective of the game at the moment is that if you get 1,000 stars in the daily challenge, so here's my stars here, and you get stars for every time there's a transaction. So if I click on my truck here and I can go and sell some of the wheat, I've got more than 10 wheat. The truck always takes 10 of whatever it is, so I'm going to sell 10 wheat. So I click on sell and my truck's going to go on its way. We get a time progress up on the top right. It says how long it's going to be before that truck comes back. It's off to Dakar to go and sell that wheat. That is a very simple transaction. You're starting your farm. You have one farmer, one silo, one store of logs, one fuel store, and one builder hut. And what you want to do eventually is build your town up substantially, that you can be producing lots of wheat, lots of flour, lots of cakes, lots of milk, lots of cheese, lots of baguettes, whatever product you choose to make with your farm. Now, it starts very simply. They'll give you some simple instructions to get yourself started with the farm, but it can go really high level complexity. So it's really engaging for people no matter what level they are at. Now, the truck has just come back. So if I click on the truck, then I will be able to sell that wheat. There we go. And you can see I've got 10 stars for having sold that wheat. So if I get to 1,000 stars in the day, I will be awarded having completed the challenge. But to do that, I need to have at least one NFT in the game. So what I'm going to do first of all is get rid of that truck, because I'm going to show you the NFT you get for free if you play the game and you become a gold member with Gala Games. And this, if you become a gold member, you will receive an express depot, or express depot, as I say in America. This will earn me, it says here, you've got the Towncoin logo and you've got one. So this will earn me 1 Towncoin. So here is my express depot. So this is a faster truck and that is an NFT. And that's the NFT you get at the moment if you join Gala Games as a gold member. So what does gold membership cost and how do you become a gold member? So if we go back to Gala Games, if you go to the home page by just clicking on the logo, when you're starting with the game, you'll see on the page there is the opportunity for you to become a Gala Gold member. Now, there are various benefits of being a gold member. First of all, you'll get exclusive access to information and news ahead of the rest of the people in Gala Games, the rest of the game players. As a gold member, you'll also receive an NFT, I believe, for every single game that Gala Games launch on their platform. It's not just a single game company, there are multiple games. So it really is extremely beneficial to get gold membership. Gold membership at the moment costs just about $50 US. You need to pay that either in Gala tokens or Ethereum or BAT, and you can do that. So go and get your crypto. If you want Gala, you can go to Binance. You can go to, actually, let's quickly go and look. And if you go on Get Gala, there's Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Uniswap, and there's also Coinbase now as well, where you can trade Gala for other different currencies, and that will get you Gala coin. You put that in your inventory, and then you can purchase your gold membership. As soon as you purchase your gold membership, you'll get your NFT, which is this express depot. You can place it in the game, you can start playing the game, and you can start earning Towncoin every day. Your express depot, if you complete the challenge each day, will earn you 1 Towncoin. Now you may be thinking at the moment, well, 1 Towncoin is not worth much. So here we are on coinmarketcap.com. If you look up Townstar or Towncoin, you'll see it's currently worth 0.83 of a dollar. So you might be saying to me, well, Paul, why would I bother playing a game where I spent $50 to earn less than $1 back? But what you've got to remember here is the future potential value on Towncoin. If we go back to the start, we can see that Towncoin was originally, well, it actually started at 17 cents. And it reached a peak just a few days back of $2. And I firmly believe it can go way past the $2. The reason for saying that is that if we look at the market capitalization of Townstar, it is actually ranked at 3006 of all the cryptocurrencies in the world, and its market capitalization is just $23 million. That's on the circulating currency that's available out there at the moment. If you compare that with Axie Infinity, which is a one-game NFT game company as well, Axie Infinity has a market capitalization of about $6 billion, and they've just got one game, and it's play to earn, it's NFTs. So as more and more people start to cotton on to Townstar, there's less than 10,000 people have put this on their watch list on coinmarketcap.com. So you are very, very early on here. So it's entirely feasible, I believe, that we could see Towncoin in a year be worth $10, maybe even $100. Now, if it's worth $100 at that point, if you're just playing the game for now and you're earning 1 Towncoin a day, play that for a year, that's 365 Towncoin. Total cost to you was $50. That was gold membership. You got your free NFT. You play the game every day. There's no other cost to play the game. You've got your NFT. You have at least 1 Gala coin in your account, in your inventory. That will give you a Gala power level of 1, which means you can earn from an NFT. So if you had 365 Towncoin by this time next year, let's get the calculator up very quickly. So you play the game every day, you get 365 Towncoin in a year. If a Towncoin in a year is worth $100, that's $36,000 you could be earning potentially this next 12 months for just a $50 outlay and having fun playing the game. Now, obviously, there is no guarantee it's going to get to $100. But it is a possibility. It's a definite possibility. And if that's the case, you will kick yourself forever thinking, oh, I should have paid attention. I should have started to get my Towncoin. Only cost $50 a day. Look, there's Axie Infinity, $108 per coin, and market cap 6.6 billion. If you go back a year ago with Axie Infinity, let's have a quick look at that. Actually, we go back 1 year. 1 year ago, Axie Infinity was 62 cents. So pretty much exactly the same place we're at where Townstar is right now. So it is very, very feasible. It's happened with Axie Infinity. It could easily happen with Townstar as well. So do join Gala Games rather. Go to gogala.co.uk. Sign up for your free account with Gala Games. If you don't want to go gold, that's absolutely fine. You can still play Townstar. Just go into the games section, play Townstar anyway for free. Learn the skills. If you want to go more advanced and want to buy other NFTs, you can certainly do that. If I just go and show you another NFT I've got, just as an example. So I've got a wheat stand here. I can place that. That's worth 14 Towncoin a day every time I complete the challenge. So I've now got 15 Towncoin there. Let's add another NFT just to show you what we've got here. We've got a crane bot. I've got 2 crane bots, but I've got a crane bot here that will earn me 100 Towncoin a day. Let me go and place that in. So now I've got 100. I can't remember what the wheat stands were. Let's go back, have a quick look at the wheat stands. 14. So I've got 115 Towncoin by just placing those 3 NFTs. Now these are expensive NFTs, but I own them. I can go and sell them. The crane bot at the moment, I could go and sell for about $15,000. I paid about $4,000 for that. So not only have I got an asset that's making me 100 Towncoin a day by having it in the challenge, but also it's tripled in value since I bought that a month ago. So you've got this asset. So it's a bit like owning a house. You own the house, you could rent it out, and you could make money with Airbnb, or you could rent it out on a monthly basis, and that gives you an income. So this asset, this crane bot here, I use it in my game. It generates a daily income for me, and it will pay for itself at 100 Towncoin per day, even let's say at $1 a Towncoin. That would pay for itself on my original purchase in about 40 days. So that's a phenomenal return. So whilst it's expensive, don't just get confused by the cost. And yes, it may well be out of the price range, but it doesn't mean it's not brilliant value. Because even if you're paying $15,000, which would seem an insane amount of money, it's going to make you 100 Towncoin a day every time you complete a challenge. So it's exceptional value in terms of buying an asset that produces an income for you. So anyway, that's the video. Hopefully that gives you a good start on things. Do feel free to subscribe to my channel. In fact, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Help support the channel, help me to do more videos like this. Plus you will get notified of any upcoming videos and information, how to make your money work for you. Even if you're starting at $50, by the way, you can actually start less than $50 in the near future, because you'll be able to borrow NFTs from other people. It's not available yet as a feature, but that is coming soon in Townstar. And so yeah, start learning the skills, sign up, start playing Townstar now, get used to the game, start learning what you need to do to get to the 1,000 stars or complete the other challenges that will be made available soon. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Pass any comments, any questions you've got. What's your favorite NFT? What's your favorite game? Do you think this is all just nonsense? Do you think it's real? Do you think it will last? There's some ideas for you to add into the discussion in the comments section, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.